I previously put an iPod Touch battery in this iPhone, but it only has 2 of the 3 wires, meaning that when the iPhone dies, it cannot register the battery being charged and only shows the battery dead symbol. So in this video, I'll be fixing that with an iPod Touch 1st generation battery, which has all of the necessary wires. I used a knife and a lighter with a paperclip attached as a soldering iron to melt away the ends of the wires to avoid risking cutting through the wires and having to solder in new ones, which I ended up having to do anyway. The ends of the new battery wires with a wire cutter and prepared the wires on the logic board to attach a new battery. I used the lighter and paperclip to remove the glue on the board around the connection points to solder a new wire on, as I had broken the white wire on the board. Using a soldering iron and some micro solder, I coated the end of the wire in solder to make it a lot easier to attach it to the board, and connected a wire that had the same resistance that I got from an internal PC speaker. With the new wire in place, I connected the battery to each wire and protected the connections from shorts with PVC tape. Plugging the iPhone into a charger, I tested the battery, which showed life on the phone, so it was ready to be reassembled. The bottom half of the screen doesn't work, so I can't unlock it, but the top of it does, and testing out the music, it works fine, and the battery charges and displays the correct percentage, so it was a successful repair. I don't know any of these songs, but the 2G isn't exactly known for its audio quality, so with bad speakers and debatably worse music, listening without headphones isn't exactly a pleasurable experience. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to see more content like this.